Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In today's class, we will continue exercise 5a from trigonometry. Okay. So question number 2 till question number 4, question number 2 sub number 4. Till that we have already done in the previous class. Now let's see question number 5. The question is sin x minus y cos x minus y sin x. You have to simplify this. So I had given you one formula, that is sin a minus b is equals to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. I had given this formula, and here you have sin a. This is a, okay. This is a. This is a. This x is b. Sin a cos b cos a sin b. So this can be written as sin a minus b. You can write sin x minus y minus x sin a minus b. Okay, according to this formula. So this and this gets cancelled. You will have sin minus y. Sin minus theta means minus sin theta, because sine of minus theta is equals to minus sin theta. This also I had given the formula. Okay, next question. Next question is question number 6. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So that you can write cos a plus b. Okay, so that you solve it on your own. Next, number 7. Number 7, you have tan 69 degree plus tan 66 degree divided by 1 minus tan 69 degree tan 66 degree. This is your next question. Okay, number 7. So this is equals to tan a. This is a. 69 degrees a. Okay, 66 degrees b. So tan a plus tan b, 1 minus tan a tan b. So this is equals to, according to formula, this will be equals to tan a plus b, 69 degree plus 66 degree, because tan a plus b is given by tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. 1 minus tan a tan b. So add this angles. 6 plus 9, 6 is 12, 15, it will be 15. 6 is 12 plus 1 is 13, 135 degree. Okay, so this can be reduced to standard angle. Okay, less than 90 degree you can reduce to the angle less than 90 degree. So let's do that. This can be written as 1 into 90 degree plus 45 degree. This can be written like this. 1 into 90 is 90 plus 45 will be 90 plus 45 is 135. Now this is odd. 1 means odd. This is the value of n and it is odd. So according to the formula, since this is odd, tan changes to its complement, that is cot, and 45 degree will remain this one. Okay, because we have this, because tan n into 90 degree plus theta is equals to bracket cot theta when this n is odd. Okay, so this is the formula, and this bracket is for the sine quadrant. You have to see 135, tan 135 degree occurs in which quadrant. So 90, it occurs in second quadrant. Up to here is 90 plus 35 is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan function is negative. Okay, so here you have to put minus sign. So minus tan 45 degree is 1. This is your answer. Okay. Okay, now next question is number 8, tan alpha minus beta, 1 plus tan alpha into tan alpha minus beta. So here you have in place of a you have alpha, and in place of b you have alpha minus beta. So tan a minus tan b, 1 plus tan a tan b. This is the standard formula for tan a minus b. Okay, so it will be equals to tan alpha minus b, tan a minus b. B means alpha minus beta. This one. This is the standard formula, because tan a minus b is equals to tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. And if you have this tan a minus tan b, 1 plus tan a tan b, you can write this. Okay, so from here I have written this tan a minus b. A is alpha, b is alpha minus beta. So from here tan alpha and alpha gets cancelled, minus into minus plus beta. So tan beta is your answer. Tan beta is your answer. Okay, these questions are just to make you familiar with the formulas. Okay, just the application of formulas only. These questions is to make you familiar with the examples, or this formulas, not examples, formulas. Okay, just this to memorize the formulas only. These are not the problems. These are not the main problems of trigonometry. Okay, next question number 3. Question number 3 is prove that sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta square plus cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. This one square is there equals to 1. You have to prove this. Sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta whole square plus sin alpha cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta whole square equals to 1. You have to prove this. Okay, from left hand side it is equals to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b will be sin a plus b, and its square is there. This one whole square is there. Okay, so plus cos a cos b minus sin a sin b means cos a plus b. I have given you the formula. Okay, so check it there. So this is sine square alpha plus beta. Sine square alpha plus beta. Don't put a square in this angle theta. Okay, plus cos square alpha plus beta. So in place of theta you have alpha plus beta. In place of theta, this is theta. Okay, in place of theta you have alpha plus beta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Proved. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Okay, next question number 4. Next question number 4 is you have to prove sin 60 degree plus theta minus sin 60 degree minus theta is equals to sin theta. You have to prove this. Okay, so from left hand side you can simplify this. You can use the formula for sin a plus b, and this side you can use the formula for sin a minus b. Otherwise you can use the formula for this sin a minus sin b together also. Okay, I had given the formula sin A minus sin B. This also I have given to you. So you can use this formula directly, or you can use formula for this part and this part separately. Okay, so I'll use the formula separately. From left hand side, sin A plus B will be sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This part is done. Minus second part is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. This is sin A minus B. Okay, so formula for sin A minus B is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So this I can cancel, sin 60 degree cos theta minus sin 60 degree cos theta. This part I can cancel. Okay, now you are left with cos 60 degree sin theta minus plus cos 60 degree sin theta. Okay, so it will be 2 cos 60 degree into sin theta. Suppose if you assume this as x minus plus, and this will also be x. Okay, so x plus x will be 2x. So 2 into cos 60 degree, you know its value is half into sin theta. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. You are left with sin theta. Proved. RHS. You are supposed to prove sin theta. Okay, and we have got this. Now let's move on to another question. Okay, now next question is question number 5, 6 and 7. You try it on your own, okay, and if you find any difficulties, then you may let me know. Now let's see question number 8. Question number 8 is to prove cos pi by 3 plus x is equals to cos x minus root 3 sin x divided by 2. So proving part you can do from either sides. Okay, you can take left hand side and prove right hand side, or you can take from right hand side and you can find left hand side, or you can do half part from left hand side and then half from right hand side. It is up to you. Okay, so I'll start from this one, left hand side only. From LHS you have cos pi by 3 minus x. This can be written as, this is a, okay, pi by 3 is a, pi by 3 is a, and this x is b. So we'll use the formula for cos a minus b. Cos a minus b, you check it in your diary. So it will be cos pi by cos a dot cos b plus sin a dot sin b. This is your formula, okay, for cos a minus b. Formula is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. I have already given this formula to you. So cos pi by 3. Pi by 3 means pi upon 3. This is in radian. Okay, if you want to convert this in degree, then you have pi means 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree divided by 3. So 3 6 in 60 degree. So pi by 3 means 60 degree. So cos 60 degree, value of cos 60 degree is half dot cos x plus, again this is sin 60 degree. Pi by 3 means 60 degree. Okay, sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2 dot sin x. Now from here you take the LCM, you will get this. Oh sorry, I have written mistake here. From left hand side you have pi by 3 plus x, pi by 3 plus x you have. Okay, so a plus b. So formula for cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Sorry, minus sin a sin b. So this is minus, you take the LCM and you will get right hand side. So LCM is 2, here cos x minus root 3 sin x. Proved. So in this way you can use your concept. Okay, this is just simple applications of formula. So your homework is still question number 10. Up to 10 you try it, okay, and send me your works. Okay, thank you. This much for today's class.